Washington, D.C., and York,
You're going to have to look over.
He works harder on his designs they want people to see more eagerly. And again, you can observe that at the Frank Lloyd Wright House in Oak Park, Illinois. Now, on the right-hand side, you're going to see this large red brick building called the I already talked about the Reed Murdoch Center. No, this doesn't have a name. It's actually the Chicago Tribune Printing Press building. This is where they print the Chicago Tribune. And that printing press, it is shared amongst 4 newspaper companies, including the New York Times. If you ever bought a New York Times in the Midwest, probably came from this facility. And another fun fact about this red brick building is that this building, just a few years ago, was voted by an article to be the 2nd ugliest building in the city of Chicago. Now, of course, everyone's first question after I say that is, what's number 1? Yeah, what is the ugliest building in the city of Chicago, folks? Shame on you. I would never do that. Point out a building and disparage it in such a way. Call it the ugliest one. I'm just kidding. It's the Thompson Center, yeah. The James R. Thompson Center is the whole name of the ugliest building in the city. And those of you who live in Chicago, you've probably heard the Thompson Center in the news a little bit lately.